How to create Facebook page for business in mobile. Hi guys, in this video, I am going to teach you how to create Facebook page for business in mobile. First thing you need to do is to check your Facebook application if it is updated. And now let's go ahead to our Facebook application. To create Facebook page for business, click on the three lines you'll find on the upper right corner of the screen. And then, scroll down until you see the pages, click on it. To create a new Facebook page, of course, you need to click the create button you will find on the upper left corner of the screen. After that, click on get started. In here, you will type your Facebook page name. In this example, I'll just type subscribe. And after you type your page name, click on next. In here, you can add up to 3 categories. In this example, since it is for business page, let's add categories for business. After you add up to 3 categories, click on create. The next thing you'll see is just to set up your Facebook page. You'll just need to set your bio, fill up your contact where your customer can contact you, add your location and hours you are available to work. And after that, click on next. In here, you will set up your Facebook page profile and Facebook page cover photo. After you set that up, click on next. And now, you can invite your friends and others to let them know that you have created a Facebook page for your own business. After that, click on next. And then, click on done. And that's how you create your Facebook page for business. That's it for today's video tutorial. I hope you like it.